Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if your mouse wheel, when activated or scrolling, seems to be modifying the volume controls on whatever you're using on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be whatever application or web browser you're using. So if you're watching maybe a YouTube video, you want to click outside and just click on, outside of the video in some blank area, some blank space, because there's certainly a possibility that if you're watching a video or inside of, let's say down here in your volume control, if you use your mouse scroller, you'd see it'll go up and down, but you want to go ahead and just make sure you click outside of it, for example. So if you're inside of a certain volume area, it's certainly likely that your mouse scroller is going to be controlling the volume. Just want to click outside of it, and that should hopefully be about it. I mean, that's really the only explanation I could really see that's causing it. Some people will tell you to modify your mouse settings or update your mouse driver or reinstall your mouse. I think that's kind of ridiculous because I have seen this before. I'm trying to scroll and then I accidentally am modifying the system sound level. So just want to keep that in mind. Just make sure you're mindful of where your mouse is on your screen because that will definitely have an impact on the volume control. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.